place for the best lowrider. I forgot. Which one was it? Alright, it's the Candy Blue Impala that's sitting over there. Candy Blue Impala sitting up there. All the way at the end, right? Yeah, get the trophy. Candy Blue Impala over there saying hi. There you go. Come on here, man. Give it up. Second place, best lowrider. You want to come up here? Big player to give you a trophy, man. Alright, give it up, man. Give it up for lowrider. Candy Blue Impala, second best lowrider.
That's fucking dope. That shit's tight, dude. Those 28s or some shit? That's sick.
First place lowrider goes to the Red Candy Impala. First place lowrider.
Dude, this car's... I won the best interior at New Season. Fuck, dude. Look at his shit, man. This is bad. That's sick. That car's nice, dude. Right there.
This would be cool thing on the strip.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's clean though. I like this. Huh.
Well, that's how we do it.
We got the best of the show.
Oh shit, I'm gonna win something right now.
First, second, and third.
Brent, you gotta get me on tape.
Category. I want to thank everybody that came out here, that took time out of their day to come support.
Brent, here.
You know, on the way to give back to you guys. More things like this, make sure to get our information, make sure to get the website, and stop by the shop. Look you up, alright? Best overall at the show, third place. It goes to the orange mustang. Come on, here.
What? Say something.
Second
Is
trophy.
it filming?
Best
Yeah.
of show, third place. Give it up. Give it up. You just got best of show. You guys gotta be excited. No hating going up here. Come on, give it up for the best of show, third place. That's the second trophy. Come up here, man. Yeah, give it up to him. We got overall third place. Second place.
Not bad.
Second best of show. Go. This is the second trophy. To the Candy Red Impala. Come up here. Candy Red Impala, give it up for the best of show, second place.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Just start recording you.